Now, if you're anything like me, you love your M-series Mac Mini, but just wish it had a few more of those useful ports that creators love in more accessible places, instead of having to rely on ugly dongles to connect a variety of hard drives or other external devices. And maybe at the same time you're also looking to free up some valuable desk space, as you work from home and it's all getting a bit too cluttered. Well, that's where this handy 5-in-1 Mac Mini hub from Minisopuru comes in. The good folks at Minisopuru got in touch with me and asked me to do a quick unboxing video of this unit. I haven't been paid to make this video and I can say what I want about the unit, but Minisopuru have very kindly sent it to me for free. So let's get on with the video. In the box you get the 5-in-1 hub, an easy to follow instruction booklet, and a thermal pad for the SSD of your choice. The first thing I really like about this hub is the fact that the colour matches the Mac Mini itself, almost seamlessly blending in. The Mac Mini slides easily into place on the stand, and there are pads all around so that you don't damage your precious machine. And the fit feels solid without any wobbles in sight. And here are the following 5 connections you get. An SD card slot. Now this is something I use all the time as a YouTube creator with videos shot on a DSLR. And I have to say I found it pretty hard to take when this slot was not included in the new Mac Mini design. Then we have a TF or micro SD card slot. And personally I'm not sure I'll ever be using it. Then we have not 1 but 2 USB-C data ports. Just bear in mind that these are for data only and not charging of any kind. Also, you will only get up to 10 GB transfer speeds if only using one of them at any time. And this is stated clearly in the instruction booklet. And finally we come to the unique and patented selling point of this hub. You'll find this by turning to the bottom of the hub. An M.2 SSD card slot for the SSD of your choice. The patented part is the 1-second magnetic, hassle-free installation of the SSD. This means you won't need to deal with any fiddly tiny screws or tools of any kind. It does seem a sleek and clever space-saving way of packing in some extra storage. Just make sure you double check on compatibility of SSDs before you buy. And the instruction booklet also tells you how to install your SSD using the included thermal pad. Now when you first unbox this unit, it's easy to get the bottom panel the wrong way around and think that it's not magnetic, but believe me, it is. Currently, I have to say that I don't use an SSD and just plug into an old-fashioned hard drive via USB 2. But the clever design of this unit has piqued my interest in getting one. So on the strength of this unboxing, what do I like about this hub, what am I not so keen on, and who do I think that the Minisopuru 5-in-1 hub is really for? Well, the pros are that this hub holds your Mac Mini really securely without any fear of it falling over, and it's easy to put the Mac in or take it out of the hub without any danger of damage. Internal Mac memory is eye-wateringly expensive, and this unit provides a clever, fast and sleek way of incorporating it without tools. If space is at a premium on your desk, this unit does save it, and the colour match with your Mac is absolutely great. On the downside, I would have liked to have seen at least one USB-A port. Old-fashioned I know, but there are still a lot of people out there who use them, myself included. I know you have a couple of them on the back of the Mac, but it would have been good to see one in a nice accessible place on the side of the hub. It also would have been nice to see some rubber pads or feet on the bottom of the hub, as I can see it slipping around on smooth desktops. The USB connection is long, very long, and I'm not sure why, as it's a bit unsightly. But overall I think this hub hits a good middle ground. The all-metal construction feels solid and sturdy, and certainly not cheap. And I think I am really tempted to start using that SSD slot in the near future. And the simple sleek design also means that air can pass freely under the hub, cooling the SSD that much more. And the quick change patented design might just make you think it's worth the price after all. That's all for now. See you in the next one.